Hi, I'm Bob with the Windsor Karcher Group. Thanks for joining us today as we discuss the Radiant 17-inch floor machine. Now, the 17-inch floor machine that we have sitting here in front of you is very, very versatile. You can pretty much use it on any floor surface you want. Actually, most people call it the Swiss Army knife of floor machines. So what I'd like to do is go ahead and start with the handle. We're just going to go ahead and work our way down and show you the features, advantages, and benefits of everything this machine can actually offer you. Now, the nice thing about the solution switch on this machine is that unless you actually have it depressed, well, it's not going to deliver any solution for you. Well, the cool thing about that, obviously, is that we can actually put the solution where we want it and not have it where we don't want it. Now, the next thing you're going to see is the main on-off switch. Now, the nice thing about this machine, it doesn't necessarily act like a low-speed machine, meaning you really don't need to have a trained floor tech to operate this machine, making it even more versatile because you can put pretty much any operator behind it. Now, down below that, you have a standard 50-foot twist lock cord. So looking at the solution tank, you have a 4.75 gallon capacity on this. Very, very simple to fill up. Simply remove the cap, go ahead and put your solution in there, put the cap back on, make sure we don't have any spillage outside the tank itself. Now, to even make it more convenient for you, if you can't get back to your closet, well, you can fill up with pretty much any faucet out there. Just make sure you hang on to it while it's filling up so it doesn't pop off and, well, make a mess you don't necessarily want to have to clean up. Now, the other thing, to drain the solution tank, we make that very convenient for you as well. Simply take the handle, lower it backwards, and there's a cap down the bottom to make sure we can fully clean and rinse your solution tank as well. Now, to adjust the handle in Radiant, it's very, very simple. Simply pull out on the T-handle, and you're going to see there's 9 different adjustments for pretty much accommodate any operator height that's out there. Very, very simple. Now, moving down from there, you're going to see we actually have the 2 jets. Now again, remember, unless we physically hit the solution switch, well, it doesn't actually turn on, and that way you can control the flow. But looking down here at the head itself, you're going to see again that we have 80 RPM on the outside, but it actually spins in reverse at 1725 RPM. Now, the benefit of a true orbital action down here is, well, everything you see in front of you, you can actually utilize and be very, very successful. Whether we're talking carpet cleaning versus interim, or even help you do the restorative, stone care, tile and grout with the added weights, or, well, even top scrub and recoat. You got one machine that does it all for you. So thanks again for joining us. Until next time, keep it clean.